Hey, Papa, what are you doing?
I'm just fishing today.
Okay.
See if I can catch some fish.
Is there big fish out here?
I don't know if there's any big ones. We'll see. Dang, we got a big one, Emma.
We
got a
did!
big one. What is that? What?
What are you doing?
What the heck?
What are you doing? It's race day. Let's go. Come on. It's race day. What's up, everybody? This is your boy A-Flem, and this is Grayson, and this is Emma Snow. You got Emma Snow, Grayson Ray, and I'm your boy A-Flem. Now listen, we are here, so I'm excited, but I got to show you something. Now that you've heard it from the main man, I'll show you the car. So let's take a quick look at the car.
Here we are, Hattiesburg Speedway. We're gonna see if old A-Flem can win in yet another car. So,
They're probably thinking about that one because that's the one that's in the...
yeah.
Let me have it. I'll do it.
No, so this is the driver here that we loan a trailer to here. We are all about racing, not just Fleming family racing. So we got Fleming and his family. So we got Grayson with us, we got Emma with us, and me and A-Flem.
I want to get in this thing and then hop in this one and then hop in that one.
Yeah, we're getting all three.
Yeah. Do good.
We're gonna run Wayne's car. Everybody's been asking where Wayne is. Hey, Wayne is
There we go.
still doing what he's supposed to be doing. But we're gonna put his car on the track. Especially since A-Flem is still blowed up. See if we can put another win for A-Flem in another car. Alright, so this is the Mailman up here at Hattiesburg Speedway. We up here with Wayne's car. I'm gonna say how it's good, but we're right here in between good company. Look what I have found, everybody. One of my favorite cars right here.
Let me get out of the way so you can get a good
love this style looking car. I love the graphic. I love everything about it. This is the one that Skylar got to put around the yard with. So how's it looking tonight?
Very dry. We're gonna have a rough time keeping her on the track.
It did look pretty dry, didn't it?
Very dry. It's already taking rubber and ain't even run hot laps.
Taking rubber, which is gonna be good for us.
Yeah, not for me.
Not for y'all.
No,
So,
I'm already adjusting and ain't even run a heat race yet.
Yeah. So good luck tonight.
Thank you, brother.
Good thing about it, though, everybody's gonna be on the same track.
Everybody. So maybe leaving the playing field out.
That's what I always say when people start talking about the track's wet or it's dry.
That's right.
Everybody's on the same one.
That's
Good
right.
luck
We all got to
tonight.
figure it out.
There we go. All right, A-Flem, what you think?
I'm gonna be really honest. I was good. I appreciate everybody enjoying our video intros, me and the Mailman and Cardinal. And I want you to know I was trying my best to go by a gravesite this evening and act like I was just waiting for Wayne, but look who showed up.
Look at here, everybody. It is Wayne himself.
I was gonna be there all side of the suit, Dad's gonna say, he ain't dead, he's working.
This is what everybody's been waiting for, is Wayne back at the racetrack. So he's here to support A-Flem.
He can race, but he's got plantar fasciitis. So I'm in the right foot. The car's fast.
So what do you think, Wayne? How's it feel to see the car you normally pilot gonna be piloted by
I'm just
A-Flem?
happy it's not parked in my yard killing my grass anymore.
It was
That's
killing the
right.
grass.
Because I just had to push pause on racing for a little bit.
That's
Between
right.
I will be back.
Foreman and Jace in the go-kart, the grass can't make it.
Yeah, the grass is dead.
So here we go. Austin's gonna be outside from the very back. That's what he's got to do in the heat. All right, here we go. Heat races. Starting out on the heat. Austin's all the way in the rear. Caution. Got a car that went wild, but A-Flem has come from the back up the second. We got a 1 lap to go situation here. Gonna see what he can do. See if he gonna go for the win, or is he gonna lay back and just take second and wait for the feature race. Don't know what's gonna be happening here. We'll see here in just a little bit. It's a new one. Hey, we got a white
I think Austin found something there.
white flag race. I think he was being patient right there at
I think he
first.
found something though.
And then he was like, okay, I gotta go. Or I'm laying back here. I gotta get on in there. So what you think, Wayne? Is he gonna go for the win with 1 lap to go, or is he gonna just be
He's gonna pass him.
You think he's gonna settle for second, go in the feature, and just on the outside front row?
No, he's gonna pass him.
You think so?
I know he is. He didn't work that hard for no reason.
All right, here we go. We're gonna see. Wayne says he's gonna go for first.
I guarantee you.
Here we go. Let's see if me or Wayne's right. What do you think, buddy?
I think I gotta drive the Falcon now.
You got to drive the Falcon. So the
No,
41 walk the dog.
Yeah, on everybody. I think I need to leave some small tires on here because Austin showed me it can handle it.
Yeah.
I'm happy about that.
Small tires liked it. I think the handling was a little better, maybe we didn't have so much tire roll.
You look good.
Good deal. It'd be real good when Wayne gets back in that car.
I'll be
You
happy.
hear that, Daddy Wayne? That's probably me.
Yo! Didn't even need the Scooby-Doo stuffed animal. No.
Y'all talk amongst yourselves like you're doing. All right, so we just got done. Wow, Wayne's car, he's got it set up just right. Honestly, that's just the difference between his car and mine is, let me get in the light. Mine's blown up, his isn't. So, sorry about the video not being the best. I really do try to come up, me and Dad, with some good stuff, and we like to have fun, you know. Some good stuff for y'all. We're gonna try to pack it up and get home though. So I appreciate it. I do want to shout out to Bayfast, especially A&W, especially Wayne. Where's he at? There he is. For letting me run the car, because now he knows he can win here. He already knew it, but he said he really enjoyed seeing somebody else run it. So around now. Of course, you got to follow us on YouTube, Port City Motorsports. Tonight's sponsor, Wayne Tompkins Jr., the Eaton Clinic. The reason Wayne's not racing, A&W, the reason he's not racing. That's good. Fat Man out of his butt. We got some other ones, and we haven't. Car Smart. Some of these might have been last year's. Hatcher Farms for sure. And I guess Wayne's other name on this other side. So, that's the car. This is the story. And we're sticking to it. So, let's get over here. Close this baby out because I'm ready to get home. Any last words right here? We're ready to close it out.
See you in
Go
Jackson.
home.
Oh shoot, Wayne just.
Hopefully we're going to Jackson. Or A-Flem is. I don't think I'm
you
going to do it.
So we're gonna load up and get out of here. It was kind of fun being first tonight.
Yeah.
Hopefully they hand out the check.
Great job.
All right, that's it. Don't forget, y'all keep watching. Like I've been saying, you ain't got to comment, just subscribe and share. Or else.